Welcome to Tech Insights, your go-to channel for the latest in technology reviews and news. Today, we're putting the spotlight on a true game-changer in the business laptop arena, the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 5. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just stepping into the corporate world, this laptop promises to deliver unmatched performance and reliability. Let's dive in and see what makes this device stand out. Hi everyone, I'm Realtecshop, and today we're going to explore the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 5. This laptop is packed with features that cater to business professionals who demand efficiency and power. Let's start with the design. The Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 5 comes in a classic black finish that exudes professionalism. It's lightweight yet robust, perfect for those always on the move. One of the first things you'll notice is the 14-inch Full HD Plus display. With vibrant colors and sharp details, this screen is ideal for presentations, video conferencing, and detailed work. The FHD Plus display offers 1920 by 1200 resolution, providing crisp visuals that enhance productivity. Whether you're editing documents, working on spreadsheets, or conducting virtual meetings, the clarity is impeccable. Now, let's talk about the keyboard. The ThinkPad series is known for its comfortable and responsive keyboards, and the E14 Gen 5 is no exception. Plus, it features a backlit keyboard, making it easy to work in low-light conditions. Security is paramount in business environments. The built-in fingerprint reader ensures that your data remains secure, allowing for quick and secure logins. Connectivity is another strong suit of the E14 Gen 5. It includes HDMI and RJ45 ports, which are essential for connecting to external displays and wired networks, respectively. With HDMI, you can easily extend your display for more screen real estate, while the RJ45 port ensures reliable and fast internet connections. Under the hood, the ThinkPad E14 Gen 5 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, which outperforms the Intel i7-1255U in various benchmarks. Coupled with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this laptop is built for multitasking and speed. The AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor ensures smooth and efficient performance, even when handling demanding applications. With 16 GB of RAM, you can effortlessly switch between tasks, and the 512 GB SSD provides ample storage and fast boot times. Staying connected is crucial, and the E14 Gen 5 doesn't disappoint with its Wi-Fi 6 capability. This ensures faster data transfer rates and improved performance in crowded networks. Wi-Fi 6 technology brings faster internet speeds, better efficiency, and lower latency, making it perfect for business environments where every second counts. To sum it up, the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 5 is a powerhouse designed for business professionals who need a reliable and efficient tool. From its robust build and high-quality display to its top-notch performance and security features, this laptop is a solid investment. Whether you're working from the office, home, or on the go, the ThinkPad E14 Gen 5 adapts to your needs, ensuring you stay productive and connected. Thank you for watching our in-depth review of the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 5. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Have any questions or thoughts? Leave them in the comments below. We'd Love to hear from you. Stay tuned to Tech Insights, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.